Hi, I'm Fuad Kamal, a co-author of Android Fundamentals by Tutorials and an expert in mobile app development with a focus on the health and fitness industries. Throughout my career, I've authored books, taught courses, mentored bootcamps, and developed apps that are used globally. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a resource that stands out in the world of Android development. This book is more than just a collection of tutorials. It's a comprehensive guide to mastering Android app development. From the basics of Kotlin and Android Studio to the elegance of Jetpack Compose and sophisticated architecture patterns like MVVM and MVI, each chapter is a step forward in your Android development journey. What makes this book indispensable is its practical approach. You'll navigate through real-world projects, learning to address app development challenges effectively. My co-authors and I have infused the book with insights and practical advice, providing a deep understanding of not just how, but why things work in Android development. In the first part of this book, you will develop a beautifully designed and fully functional chat app using Jetpack Compose. In the second part of this book, you will develop a recipe app that searches the internet for recipes and even lets you create a shopping list customized with the ingredients from your favorite recipes. Are you ready to try it for yourself? Android Fundamentals by Tutorials is available now on Amazon, at Kodeco.com, and with a Codeco subscription. Plus, get a head start with a special 10% off on the first month of our monthly subscription by using the code AndroidFun. It's the perfect opportunity to enhance your skills with this book and other fantastic Android resources from Kodeco.